Welcome back. Wanted to discuss chemical dispersal and take a couple of methods that one step further, and we've shown you in previous videos. I'll put links below in relation to that particular video and discussion about the product. All the products that we're going to discuss here today, I'll put direct links to our website, so you'll be able to track that through our website, get some more technical data, see some pricing, and that's at Ionic Systems Australia. Our main parent company, which you'll see, is Blue Tongue Industries. So two particular methods we're going to talk about today is a chemical injector, which is run at tap pressure, so 40 psi, desirably at a minimum, and it's going to give you a ratio of 5:1. That's also going to depend on temperature of the day and viscosity of the soaps and surfactants that you would like to disperse, but it's an injecting system running from normal tap mains pressure, and we're going to push that through a water-fed pole. So if your requirement is to clean certain surfaces, facades, cladding, signage, in warehouses, if it's greasy or oily residue, you'll be able to get those solutions where you need it, limit the overspray, agitation and rinse. So that's one particular method. The second method we're going to talk about is chemical and soap application, soaps and surfactants, through a pressure cleaning pole. That's right, a pressure cleaning pole. It does operate at pressure, but today it's just going to be low pressure. You can see multiple videos on our pressure cleaning poles and our comparisons also on our website, and I'll throw some more links below for those particular videos. So we have the high-end 24-foot full carbon pressure cleaning pole, but we're only going to run it at very low pressure today to disperse those soaps and surfactants. So if you're soft washing and you want to limit overspray in relation to going home of a night time and not smelling like over chlorinated pool or something of that nature, we are only spraying soaps and surfactants today. We have a 15 amp 2.2 kilowatt electric pressure cleaner, which is running at 11 litres per minute, 2.9 gallons per minute at 1700 psi. So a grunty little unit, pressure on demand, and I wanted to run you through that. We are sucking quite a high viscosity soap, and you'll see that it has no trouble in relation to doing that. So yeah, once again, all the description will be below, can take you to the products and further videos in regards to learning more about these particular systems. Stay tuned and we'll follow through with some demonstrations. So with the chemical injector, the thinner the viscosity, the more a concentrated mix you're going to get through in relation to the chemical dispersal, whether it's through a water-fed pole. So with a low viscosity soap or surfactant, the ratios of this particular unit at 40 to 50 psi is going to be roughly 5:1. But we'll just turn on the garden tap. A couple of different soaps here today. And you can see even with garden tap pressure, the fluid does start to pick up, or the soap or surfactant does start to pick up quite quickly, straight into the chem injector. So we'll give you a bit of a bird's eye view at the end of the pole, and we'll talk a bit more. So the chem injector through the water-fed pole, we have a few fan jets. So if we are facade cleaning in relation to facade signage, even fleet transport cleaning, we're able to disperse those soaps and surfactants through a water-fed pole. So we're only running low flow, a few litres a minute, and you can see the mixing ratios there, and the soap running down the black tinted glass. So it'll allow you to get that chemical, those soaps and surfactants at height, directly onto the job. fire up this chemical injection system and give you a view and indication of what we can cover, and check out the overspray. So the 6.8 metre pressure cleaning pole. The warehouse is top of the flashing there would be about 7 metres. And you can see from an application perspective, we're getting that product exactly where we need it. So quite efficient in relation to reaching at height to be able to get that particular soap or surfactant in that area if you needed to scrub it or to carry out a difficult clean. I hope this is a beneficial video for the pressure cleaning soft washing industry. A pressure pole, not used for pressure but chemical application. So to get it at height, and if you're working in those confined environments where you do need to limit that overspray and look after oneself, which is always number one. We appreciate you watching. Check out all the info below. We're using that same pressure cleaner, 11 litres a minute, 1700 PSI, just for a rinse off with the pressure pole.